3, 2, 1. Mom's holding on. Perfect.
It numbs you.
Tastes like blue cheese. Smells like dirty socks.
If you're drinking it, it'll numb your mouth.
Can't promise you chocolate, but this is where it comes from.
So we got lots to eat today. Look at these bananas here. This is passion fruit.
We call it lilikoi, and it's delicious.
These are tapioca plants.
Tapioca.
The main food starch in Hawaii is called taro.
Yeah, you can eat the seeds. Of course, they grow in your stomach. Call it guacamole if you want. You guys will survive. Lei, everyone wants to get laid in Hawaii. It's very stiff. You got to debone it. Tea leaf is a very lucky plant here. So any excuse to give away a lei is a good one. This is what's used to make skirts.
Bamboo is used to make spears. They also used them to make the nose flute. So you play the flute out of your nose.
This is one thing they do is make rope. That is what you want. Fishing lines, all sorts of things. It may be one of the only plants that floated here. This is what they would make sails out of. How you liking it out here?
Best place ever.
Okay, at the office.
1970s shag carpet, vintage Maui.